How to backup WhatsApp on Android. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, begin by launching the WhatsApp on your phone. Then in the top right corner of your WhatsApp screen, click on the three-dot icon and select Settings. Here select Chat from the Settings menu. Then scroll down and click on the Chat Backup. Moreover, click on the Google account and choose the account where you want your backup stored. Under the Automatic Backup, pick a frequency. You can choose from the available options. Additionally, to include videos in your backup, toggle the switch beside the Include Videos. Once everything is set, hit Backup. WhatsApp will automatically search for backup link to your Google account. Wait for the process to complete. And there you go. This is how to backup WhatsApp on Android.